I haven't heard any music. Uh-oh, you know what? Miss Lemons must be on crack, right, kids?
Oh, g'day.
Oh, didn't see you there. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Jordan.
And today, we're going to be talking about long addition and long subtraction.
We were singing, and we were learning. We were learning in sing-song. Huh.
So Jordan, what is long addition?
Well, Ryan, long addition is adding two two-digit numbers to another two-digit number.
Fancy that. What about long subtraction?
Well, long subtraction is taking a two-digit number away from a two-digit number.
No way.
Wow.
So we're going to show you how you learn to do long addition and
Continue with your method.
Yeah. Okay.
Start with, say, 27 plus 32. This one here is our units. This one here is our tens. When carrying out this procedure, we go simply down the units like so. So these are our units. So we have 7 plus 2, which equals 9. And with this one, we can look at it as 2 plus 3, but it actually is 20 plus 30. So 2 plus 3, or 20 plus 30, is 50. To make that simple, like more simpler, we're going to do partitioning. So theoretically, this is 20 plus 7. You all understand that?
Oh, that. Yeah.
This one is 30 plus 2, which equals 32. And then what we do is we add down again from the units and the tens, 7 plus 2, which equals 9. And then 20 plus 30 is 50. And 50 plus 9 equals 59. So there's a simple way to do a simple equation like so.
Math is a wonderful thing.
Now we're going to show you how you do long subtraction. To start with, we're going to need a number. Let's start with 34, take 12. Again, we're going to have to break it up into placements. So we have the ones, or units. Alright, units there. And we got the tens. Now if we look at this, we start off 4, take away 2. So we get 4 minus 1, 2 equals 2. And we go in the tens. And we've got 3 take 1 equals 2. So our answer is 22. But to show that another way, we'll have 30 plus 4 minus 10 take plus 2. If we do it into a sum, we'll have 4 take 2 equals 2. Then we have 30 take 10 equals 20. So we would then have 20 plus 2 equals 22. And that, my friends, is how you do long subtraction.
Math is a really cool thing.
So, Jordan, do you think the class has a pretty good understanding of how to do long addition and long subtraction?
So I think they do, Ryan.
Why don't we knock it up a notch then?
Let's do it. Let's add some renaming into this. We'll use two-digit numbers where you have to rename to get the answer.
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it.
So get off your act, let's do some math. Math, 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 math.
So now, we're going to use two-digit numbers and incorporate renaming. So, for instance, we're going to use a number, say, 48 plus 77. So once again, we set it out with our units and our tens. So what we do is the exact same thing. We add the units column, so 8 plus 7 And 8 plus 7 equals 15. So what we do is put 5 in there, and we can't write 15, so we rename the 10 and put it in our tens column, because 10 ones equals 110. And with that, we have 110 plus 4 tens equals 5 tens plus 7 tens equals 12 tens. And once again, we have to rename. So now we add a hundreds column. And with that, we have just the one, so it goes down to 125. Once again, we're going to break this up, and we're going to have 40 plus 8 plus 70 plus 7. Once again, just do the units column, which will be 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. Then we have an extra 10. And then we have 10 plus 40 equals 50 plus 70 equals 120. So 120 plus 5 equals 125. Thank you.
3 minus 4 is...
-1.
That's right.
So now we're going to be doing long subtraction, incorporating renaming into the equation. So let's say we have a number. We'll go with 53 minus 27. Again, we break it up into columns. We'll have the unit, and we'll have the tens. Now, we start with the units. 3 negative 7. Well, that doesn't go. If you take 7 out of 3, you're in the negatives. So we're going to have to borrow one from the tens, and we'll make that into a 4, taking 10 and making it units. So we'll have 13 minus 7 equals 6. And again, we'll have 4, take away 2, equals 2.
Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a party for a riddle.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you long subtraction using a story. Let's just say we have a tree and it had 37 apples in it. Then one day, Farmer Joe came along with a basket, ready to pick 12 apples. So Farmer Joe has taken 12 apples away from the tree that had 37 apples in it. So what we have there is 37, take away 12. Again, we'll add in the units and the tens. So Farmer Joe has taken 2 from 7, which equals 5, and he's taken 1 from 3, which equals 2. So that leaves us with 25 apples left in the tree. Good one, Farmer Joe.
Okay, right. So after that, we're going to be doing a sum, and we're going to be using these blocks to work it out. And with these blocks, 10 of these is 10 units, okay? And 10 of these equals 1 of these, which is 10 units. Okay, you understand that?
I understand you.
Okay. So what we're going to do is,
That was the chair.
on a power line,
Yeah.
there are 17 birds on the power line. And 33 more birds flew onto that power line. I want you to work that out, how many birds are on that power line now, using MAB blocks or using algorithm, or both.
Okay.
Just remember, 10 of those is 110.
So we have 10 plus 7 for 17. And then 30, 3 joined.
Really good, Ryan. So now, how many birds are on the line?
30 plus 10 equals 40.
Yes.
3 plus 7 equals 10,
Well done.
which will make it a tens. So we have 10 cheeky crows sitting on a fence. That's not right. 50 cheeky crows sitting on a fence.
Well done, Ryan. Now, would you be able to show me that in an algorithm? So how do we set that out?
Well, if we have 17 crows plus 33,
To make it easy, how can we make it easy for ourselves?
we'll put the number placements in
Well done.
tens and units. Again, 7 plus 3 equals 10.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have to make a 0 and rename the 1 in the tens column because we have 10 units.
Well done.
So that makes it 1 plus 1 plus 3, which equals 5. So we have 50 crows sitting on a fence.
Well done. Is there any other way that you could write that out to show me how you got that?
I could do it as 10 plus 7 crows were joined by 30 plus 3 crows, which would equal 40 plus 10 crows, which would equal 50 crows.
Well done. Good stuff.
Where's my star? So what have we learned today?
We've learned a lot, Ron. We've learned how to do long addition and long subtraction.
We sure have, Goony. We hope you've enjoyed our presentation and it's helped you in the future.
Thank you very much.
Stay classy, San Diego.
Yes, I was testing you. It's 9, and that's a magic number.